Hi, everyone. Today we're traveling from California to the colorful Seven Magic Mountains near Las Vegas. It's only about 10 miles from Las Vegas, around a 15 to 20 minute drive, so it's a quick and easy stop. Whether you're coming from California or already in Las Vegas, this is definitely a must-see stop. Don't forget your camera, stay hydrated, and be careful while exploring the area. As we drive from California, you'll notice the scenery slowly changing, from busy city views to wide-open desert landscapes. It's a relaxing and scenic journey, especially if you enjoy road trips and desert views. Now, let's talk about the Seven Magic Mountains. This amazing art piece was created by Swiss artist Hugo Rondinone. It features 7 towers made of stacked boulders, each painted in bright neon colors that really stand out against the desert backdrop. The installation is about 30 to 35 feet tall and was originally meant to be temporary, but because of its popularity, it's still here today. It's become one of the most Instagram-worthy spots near Las Vegas, and it's easy to see why. The contrast between the natural desert and these bold, colorful rocks is just stunning. It's free to visit and open to the public, which makes it even better. Try to visit early morning or before sunset for the best lighting and fewer people. It can get really hot in the desert, so don't forget to bring water. The colors look even more amazing in person. Photos don't do it justice. It's a great place for photos, videos, and just enjoying the desert view. This spot is perfect for a quick stop before or after exploring Las Vegas. The Seven Magic Mountains opened in 2016 and was supposed to stay for only 2 years, but it became so popular that it's still here today and expected to stay until at least 2027. Each tower is about 30 to 35 feet tall and made of real desert boulders painted in bright neon colors. There are 7 towers made from 33 stacked rocks, and each rock can weigh several tons. It's located in the Mojave Desert, so it can get very hot, sometimes over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, especially in summer. Thanks for joining me on this road trip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure. After this, enjoy the short and scenic drive from Seven Magic Mountains to Las Vegas. It's only about 10 miles away, so in just a few minutes, you'll be back in the city, ready to explore more of what Las Vegas has to offer.